The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is a four-wheel drive luxury SUV, sometimes called a G-Wagon, which also refers to a cross-country vehicle. It is manufactured in Austria and sold by Mercedes-Benz. Today, I'm proud to present to you the 2015 G550, dressed beautifully in Dakota brown exterior. The G-Wagon is characterized by its boxy styling and body-on-frame construction. It uses three fully lock-in differential, one of the few vehicles to have such a feature. Despite the introduction of an intended replacement, the unibody SUV GL Class in 2006, the G-Class is still in production and is one of the longest produced Mercedes-Benz in Daimler history, with a span of 35 years. The G-Class, which was suggested by Shah of Iran, at the time a significant Mercedes shareholder, was originally developed to excel in military, municipal, as well as civilian duty. The unmistakably ageless design of the G-Class is a pure reflection of the character within. Its flat glass windows were designed to make emergency replacement easier in the most remote area of the world. Even with its modern detail, it remains uncomplicated, uncompromised, and functional, with a shape and size that maximize interior space while minimizing overhang for a better maneuverability. The G-Class also comes equipped with brilliant accents, which showcase polished chrome and stainless steel, which highlight the enduring quality of the G-Class. Up front, a chrome front grille guards frame the chrome 3-bar grille and headlamps, bi-xenon headlamps, LED daytime running lamps, as well as high-intensity retractable headlamp washer are all standard on the G550. At the bottom, you can see the pair of corner illuminating front lamps, which help you to negotiate tight turns. Corner illuminating front lamps shine toward the inside of a turn, activated by turning the steering wheel or using the turn signal at low speed. And here is a closer look at the grille with the Mercedes-Benz logo in the middle. It also comes with intermittent rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes standard with 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloy wheels, featuring distinctive twin spoke and a shimmering silver finish with 265/60 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and 4-piston brake caliper painted in silver. The specific G550 fender, V8 badge on each fender, and a look at the rugged stainless steel running boards to each entry and exit. And here's the body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up for ventilation or slide open for an open air feeling. Rear wheels are also 18 inches and comes with 265/60 all-season tires. It also comes with adaptive braking technology, which integrate two useful advances. During uphill start, hill start assist help prevent rollback, and a brake hold feature that can help make long red light, stop traffic, or even off-road maneuver a little easier. To the back, you see the small unique square tail lamp with integrated brake lamp as well as turn signal lamp. Park assist and reverse light are also built into the rear bumper, as you can see. And there's the towing hitch with a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. And there's the light plug. And the rear-mounted full-size spare tire is protected by a cover trim in polished stainless steel, and you do need a lock to open the rear spare tires. On top is the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse to help with a much easier backup. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the panic, lock, and unlock. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The exterior color is known as the color brown exterior. Featuring two-tone interior color, black and the signal porcelain Napa leather interior with premium darkwood trims and silver aluminum trims throughout. Very modern looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. So to start up the vehicle, just insert the key into the key ignition located on the right. Turn it once to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 G550 have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.5 liter V8 engine constructed with die-cast alloy block and alloy heads, all-wheel drive with 2-speed transfer case, 7-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 382 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 mph in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is rated at 12 city, 15 highway, and 13 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. And here is a closer look at the driver's side door panel. It is black and the signal porcelain Napa leather interior in the middle, with 3 position memory seating. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And there's the side view mirror controlled. And it does feature folded options. There's the power adjustment seat and the door lock and unlock. Storage compartment on the door. And the Harman Kardon surround sound speaker. Mercedes-Benz aluminum door sill. And there's the sport pedal. Both front seats does feature heated and ventilated options, with the signal badging on the backrest. And under the seat you have the storage compartment. Both front seats feature 10-way power adjustable front seats, including 4-way power lumbar support. A memory system for driver seat to recall 3 store positions for the seats, steering wheel, and outside mirror. And a look at the rug, stainless steel running boards that issue entry and exit. The 4-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather, with top and bottom wood sections and silver aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel very nice. Featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, as well as the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the steering wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And a look at the 4.5-inch color instrument cluster display that let you control via the multifunction steering wheel. And on the left, you have the windshield wiper controlled, as well as the turn signal light controlled. There's the Distronic setting. And steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. To the left, you have the driver's side air vent, rear and front fog lights, as well as the light controlled. And here's a closer look at the dash. Now the G550 also comes standard with Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system that's specifically engineered for the G-Class. This premium digital sound system fills the cabin with 450 watts of beautifully balanced audio for both you and your passenger. And looking at the center stack, you see the large multimedia screen, which offer a very modern looking, beautiful wood trims and aluminum trims in the middle. There you have the suspension setting. On the left, you have the different sources, volume on and off. Very nice sound quality. On the right, you have the telephone keypad. And down here you have your heated and ventilated seat options, traction on and off, emergency hazard light, and there's the dual climate controlled, ashtray, very nice wood trims, and there's the gearbox. So just press the unlock button and push up for reversed, and once you're in reverse, the backup camera will appear on the multimedia screen, and slightly down for neutral, down again for drive. And that's when you can use the steering wheel mounted paddle shifter to change gear as well. And press P for park. Very easy to use. Down here you have the multimedia control. You can scroll the knob around to move around screen. And as you can see, the system is very responsive. You can push it down to select or move it up, down, right or left. Very easy to use. And there you have your 12-volt power outlet. And there's the hand parking brake. And there you also have the multi-control front seat, which feature triple lumbar support, as well as adjustable side bolster and shoulder supports, allowing you to custom tailor your seats to precisely fit your physique. There's also one feature on the front passenger seat, center storage compartment with a USB and media interface cable. Handle on the dash, and there's the glove box compartment with dual cup holders. And a closer look at the front seat. Very nice upholstery material. Alright, on top you have the light controlled, as well as the SOS button to use in case of an emergency. And there you have the one touch open, close, and tilt sunroof, as well as the automatic sunshade. You also have the net there for the front passengers. And look at the rear view mirror, with 3-button universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with Alcantara headliner, Now let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seats does offer seating for 3, and it does feature folded option. You can fold it down to 60 or 40 split for more cargo space. And here's a look at the rear driver's side door panel. It does feature heated option for the rear seat, and rear windows are also automatic. There you have the ashtray, storage compartment, Mercedes-Benz aluminum door sill. Now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it is in the back. But first, let me show you the look to the front cabin. Again, very modern looking cabin. And here's the look to the top. Down here you have the dual side air vent and dual cup holders, as well as the 12-volt power outlet. Okay, I'm 5'8", and this is how much legroom I have left. And headroom's very spacious. On top you have the light controlled, door handle, one on each side. Very comfortable in the back. And here's the look to the back. Okay, now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space the trunk offers. So the trunk in the G550 offers very decent cargo space with both of the rear seats up. Now you can always fold down the rear seat and get a total of 75.1 cubic feet of cargo space. There you also have the 110 AC plug with 100 watts. Okay, gas cap is located on the passenger side, and it does require premium unleaded fuel only and hold approximately 25.4 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 G550 is a luxury SUV with seating for 5 passengers. Second row seat is very spacious and can fit almost any size adult comfortably. The front cabins, however, offer a very generous amount of space for anyone to be really comfortable even on a long road trip, not to mention the great leather upholstery material that will add more comfort to your body. It also features premium wood trims and aluminum trims throughout the cabins. And another look to the back. Now let's jump into the front passenger seat and see how it is in the front. Very spacious and comfortable in the front seat. There you also have the little cup holders. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 G550 video. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video review, and I'll see you guys next time. And as usual, this is just a bonus feature. I'm just going to take the car and park it back to where it belongs. But as you can see, sitting is very high in the G550. It is also very smooth and comfortable as well.